What's up, everybody? Getting straight to it. Where is the best place to find the 93 to 99, maybe 92 and 99 Tahoe Blazer Yukon, the two-door versions? Where are you gonna find them? First of all, you can find the Suburban and the four-door Tahoe versions everywhere. The city, the suburbs, the country, whatever. But for some reason, the two doors, you gotta go to the sticks. You gotta go outside of the county, the regular city limits, and you gotta go out there and find them, because for some reason, farmers, deer hunting people, and good old country boys are the only ones that like to have those kinds of cars. If you go on Facebook Marketplace, I'm gonna tell you right now, if you go to Facebook Marketplace, those are gonna be marked up, because everybody and their mom's like, oh, no motor, no trans, but it's super rare, bro. It's like they only made this in 2 years and only had this options. Like, yeah, no motor, no trans, but I'll give it to you for like, you know, like $6 grand. Whatever, okay? It's like Fox bodies. Everybody that has a Fox body, and the new Fox body, in my opinion, that's coming up is S13 Nissan 240SXs. The S13, the S14. Yeah, bro, just, yeah, motor went out, but, you know, like, give me like $6 grand. It's like a good drift car. Whatever, dude. You have to go outside the county or outside the regular city limits. If you're a regular city boy and you don't have those kind of connections, you better start making some connections, because that's the only place you're gonna find one for a good deal. You can go out and spend the money. You can go to a dealer or a little used car lot or whatever if you want one and you want to spend $10,000 to $14,000 on one. Go for it. But by all means, if you want to get a good deal on one, and like, I'll just say, in my case, I paid $2 grand for mine. Granted, you know, it needs a transmission, but that's fine. It's on the way. But if you're gonna spend $8,000, $9,000, $10,000 on one, that doesn't mean you're gonna get a bulletproof transmission that comes with it. That doesn't mean that you're gonna go ahead and get, you know, it's not gonna break the next 2 months that you have it. You know, that's gonna be on you. And so you have to go outside. If you don't know anybody, like me, I don't really know anyone outside out here in these sticks, just go for a drive. Just be a normal person and just go cruising and exploring. You know, don't go out in the sticks by yourself if you're someone of you know, color like me, you know, by yourself at night. No, don't do that. That's a bad time. But just go take a stroll. Go out like me. Like, I went out because there's E85 right here. I went out to go look at another E85 station that's a little bit outside of here, and guess what happened? I saw a two-door Tahoe. Actually, it was a red two-door Yukon, and it was just chilling. So I guarantee you, you go out and take some drives, and you just pull up on someone, or one pulls up next to you or whatever, and you're in the vicinity, be like, hey man, you know, how much you let it go? I guarantee you, you're gonna run into an old man that's gonna be like, I tell you what, give me $1,500, you can take it right now. Right now? But yeah, I'll just walk home. I'll just call him a horse or something, or some dumb stuff like that. But that's what I think. That's the only way that I think you're gonna go ahead and get a good deal on one. And I'm leaving that in there. I'm leaving that in there. That was a mistake. Now, like I said again, also another good place to find one is join the Facebook groups. For some reason, and this is why I love the two-door Tahoe so much, because unlike having a Mustang, everybody bashes you. If you're an EcoBoost person, you're gonna get bashed. If you're an NA person, you're getting bashed. If you're a Cobra Jet person, everyone's like, oh, you wasted your money, oh, blah, blah, blah. If you're a stick car, oh, 6R80, bro, whatever. If you are on E85, just pump gas for life, bro. Whatever, I don't care. But for some reason, everybody in the two-door Tahoe groups, they're all cool. It could be a LS swapped, it could be bone stock factory, it can be a rolling chassis. Everyone's like, yo, that's dope. The only other group of people that I think are similar to that are Chevy SS owners and some Supra groups. Usually the Supra community is really tight knit. Everyone loves 2J stuff because, you know, 2J stuff. And for some reason, you know, it's just really good. I like it. And then in the Facebook groups, you'll end up finding some good deals. Someone's like, hey, you know, I don't want to really have time to it. He may be local to you. He may, if you're willing to drive, you're really looking to get one of these things, you got to do the footwork. This is my opinion on some of the things that you're gonna have to do ahead of time. But if you join the Facebook group and the dude's an hour away, he's like, dude, take it, $2 grand right now. Needs whatever, but take it. And there you go. And being that it's in a Facebook group, you're gonna get everybody's input in it. Granted that, you know, not everyone is gonna be speaking truth or whatever, but they're gonna give you honest opinion, like, yo, that's actually not a bad deal. And then you get 37 different comments of where are you at right now. People cash apping you money to the wrong cash app because they just want it right now. But that's where I'll leave it at that. Marketplace, people already know what they're gonna do. Now, yes, I did get mine from Marketplace. I forgot to add that in, but the guy messed up. The guy messed up. He's like, yeah, he wanted like $4 grand or something. The dude was cool, but he left the original bill of sale inside the car. I went to go look at it. He's like, yeah, I'm not home, but my wife will let you look at the car and this and that. I was like, all right, that's cool, whatever. We get to looking around and all looking at everything. Bill of sale from 3 years ago, and I saw the price. And I'm like, dude, I'm not. Yeah, he replaced a bunch of stuff. I'm not gonna give you your asking price, dude. I didn't tell him that I saw it. You know, when I picked it up, it was missing. He took it away, he knew. But yeah, I got really lucky on that. So. And then with the Facebook groups, it can go one of two ways. You know, the people that know that it's really rare, and then someone that has something that's really well taken care of, they're gonna ask for some money for it. But someone that is on there and just wants to make it quick, here, go get out of my face, and they don't want to deal with everybody on Marketplace, being that you're in the Facebook group already for the Tahoes, go ahead and do it. I mean, you go in the Facebook group, I think there's 2-door Tahoes, 2-door Yukons, 2-door Blazers, just search all that kind of stuff. I think I'm in like 3 of them. And they're all freaking super cool people. So that's my 2 cents. I hope it helps you if you're gonna go ahead and try and find one for yourself. And to prove that you got to go out to the sticks to go out and try and find some of these things, I'm gonna put 2 videos after of where I got mine and where there's another one that's actually close to me that, okay, I may be a little weird. You know, I may have knocked on a dude's door. I know that sounds super weird because if you're born in the 90s, it's normal for you to knock on people's doors. But if you're an OBD2 person, that's what me and my friends say. If you're born after 96, you're an OBD2. You're just sad all the time. You're depressed. That's me right now. No, it's not. I got Chipotle. I'm happy. You know what? Anyways, I knocked on the dude's door, and I'm trying to get more info on this thing because it just sits there. And I really want it. Originally, I was gonna get mine to buy and flip because of how much I saw these things were worth. And that's another good thing about the 2-door Tahoes, is that if you get a super clean one, you take really good care of it, you are sitting on positive equity. It's like a house. You're sitting on like a lot of value on it. So when I put the trans in mine, clean it up and do a little stuff to it, I'm driving it around, so I was like, hey man, you know, what'd you sell it for? I'm like, I don't know, man, what you want? And he told me like 7 grand. I don't know. Then I put some paint on it. 10? I don't know. No, but I really like mine. I really wouldn't want to sell it. The only way I would is if I ran into another one that was 10 times as cleaner. But you know, I don't want to pay that. I don't want to pay that price for something like that. So that's good. That's all I'm saying. Marketplace, know what you're doing. Facebook groups, get to shopping. Go take a cruise and just see what's out and about. Talk to people, make your connections, I guess. Be a human, make friends, that kind of stuff. And that's about it. Nothing too crazy. There are going to be people asking $14,000. There's been a few that I've seen of people asking $16,000 for one that has like 40,000 miles, and you know what? They're still up for sale, so they can have that. So that's my thing. I hope this helps if you're actually out there looking for one, and if you're looking to buy mine, it's not for sale right now. So, peace. Man, the shit I would do to help my boy to find one of these. I'm gonna get shot. It's like an abandoned shop in an RV place or whatever, but usually in Texas, there's a registration tag on the windshield and it's peeled off. But this is it. I wanted to see if it was registered because I passed it the other day. So, shit. It's pretty clean. Lone Star.